Hey everybody, welcome back to a cut test on the new Ocoee Kayak in blue resin and burl wood. All right. Okay, it's got a nice, I'd say a 5 pull. Not too bad. Okay. There we go. Okay. Since this is new, read off some specs here. It is the kayak pattern with a 2.3 D2 K-clip blade, brushed satin finish, steel bolsters, steel liners, a steel rosebud shield, which is right there. Okay. And the covers are split blue resin, and there's a red version on this as well. 3.6 closed, 5.9 open, weighs 2.9 ounces, and designer Andy Armstrong. Okay, let's give it one more cut. There we go. All right. Nice little 5th pocket carry if you have it. I prefer to put mine in their sheath. I'm carrying this one right now. I believe that's the Tanasi Lake. My memory hasn't failed me yet. So, nice walk and talk. And that just slips right in there. And you're ready to go. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. See ya.